Yeah, why I feel like I'm finna go home. Like, I just pulled up, and when I tell y'all everybody casual, like flip-flops, tennis shoes. I'm overdressed. Y'all close? Oh no, baby.
Where you at? Oh, you complain. Don't say that. Sipping wine.
All right, y'all. Child, well, I am in traffic. I was in the express lane, baby. I was in the express lane. We was going like 70 miles per hour. Then all of a sudden, after I came around the corner, I had to do like an immediate stop. Like I had to get on my brakes real hard. And I'm nervous because I'm thinking, oh God, the people behind me for the slam into the back of me. Like, it's gonna be terrible. Well, what happened was, it was a wreck that happened on the express lane, the toll road. And y'all know, this particular toll road that I'm talking about, it's only one lane. So if you have a wreck on the one lane toll, like, you're stuck. You're stuck in this shit until they tow these cars and all that kind of stuff. But thankfully, to the right of me, they had like those bendable poles, and baby, I just had to run those little poles over to get on off the toll and get onto the freeway because it was a wreck. I don't know how the hell the Mustang flew underneath the truck and the truck flew into a Ford Explorer, but it did. Nobody looked like they were, you know, seriously injured, but prayers go to them. They in my way. Okay, I'm trying to get to this event that started at 7. My GPS did tell me I was gonna get there at 7:20. It's currently 6:47, but now my GPS is telling me I should get there around 7:13. So I'm making up for time. Anywho, y'all, how y'all been? Y'all been good? Life's still been lifing over here, but I'm still pushing through. Okay? Because that's all I can do. At the end of the day, that's it. That's all. Can't fold. Gotta keep going. I'm headed to a Jack Daniels event. Should be pretty cool. I really don't know what to expect from it, other than me having a good damn time, because it's needed. I ain't picked y'all up all week. I think the last time I picked y'all up is when I went out to eat with Platinum and Kyra. They took me out to eat for my birthday, and Platinum got y'all. Oh, I didn't even show y'all. I haven't even showed y'all the gifts that Platinum got me. She too sweet. I'll show y'all those gifts either tonight or tomorrow. I'll show them to y'all. She's so sweet. Now she knows she didn't have to do all that. She know. And speaking of her, she probably already at this event. Lord, let me hurry up. Yeah, why I feel like I'm finna go home. Like, I just pulled up, and when I tell y'all everybody casual, like flip-flops, tennis shoes. I'm overdressed. Baby, the dudes got what is these? Caps on, fitted caps. I got on a dress and some heels. It look like I'm finna go. What? I missed the memo? Wait. I'm trying to call Platinum to see if she here. I mean, they got on freaking short jean shorts, crop top. Get me out of here. I'm not going. Get me out. I can't get out of here. Oh, they want their money. Ma'am, I'm not staying. Ma'am, I'm not staying. Okay. I can't make this shit up. Yo. What? Okay, I'm gonna come back because right now I'm in disbelief. What made me think I needed to? Baby, I'm dead. I'm still recording. Hey, calm down. I'm coming. Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I think carnival come about a call. I don't know. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Thank you. She was trying to handle me a little bit. Okay, I understand. She got a lot going on, and I do too. I'm overdressed. I'm so embarrassed. Oh my God, y'all. I just want to be a fly. I just want to be a fly on the wall right now. I don't want to get out the car. Yo, I got these heels that I got to put on. Now, granted, I do have on some flip-flops. But I can't wear these. I can't wear these shoes. All right, y'all, I'm back. And I'm tilting. Oh, hold on, wait. Because, man, please don't run over my feet. I need them. Oh, God. Out of all the parking spots, boo, you gonna park here? Anywho, y'all, listen. So, okay, let me close the door so I can tell y'all. So, I have these little white sandals that I can just wear. And I have this purse. Now, granted, none of this shit goes with what I got on. Like, I'm literally dressed up. But there's no way that I'm finna walk into this place in these fucking heat. Damn, I'm hitting myself in the face. There's no way I'm finna walk in there with these heels. Literally, nobody is dressed up. And don't ask me why I'm dressed up, because normally everywhere I go, it's usually dressed up. But here, that's not the case. And I kind of want to just dress my outfit down a little bit. So I kind of just want to keep my little flats on and then just take this purse versus this red purse. Because if I put my heels on, I was going to carry this purse, you know. But, baby. All right, y'all. I finally got out the car. I have these on. But I have my heels in my hand. So the plan is, once I get up here, because it's such a long walk. Hey, where I park it? Oh, shit. I forgot where I parked. Because it's such a long walk, I'm gonna fold my shoes up in this purse. And that way, I ain't gotta hold my flip-flops around and put my heels on. Oh, she look cute. Oh, Lord, y'all. Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
That's doing great, thank you.
That's good.
How are you? Good to know you.
Right here, waiting for you. Hello, ma'am. Welcome.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
They are underdressed.
Bye-bye. Hey, how are you? Hey, Kyra. You look so cute. Boo, give me a hug. taco truck. Hold on, y'all. So let's go see what they about. Are they closed? Y'all closed?
Oh no, baby!
Oh no! Don't say that.
We walked all the way over here.
I respect you. We'll be back Sunday.
Sunday here.
Okay, y'all. We not getting no tacos. Damn.
Okay, baby, I'm so glad we got in and got
Y'all,
out.
Look at this line. Yeah, I think I am over here.
It is kind of lit though. Yeah, they ain't letting nobody up in there.
Yeah, but it's like, y'all, it's a lot of young kids too. So, you know, you got to be careful with that. Because, baby, they don't mind pain-panging. They don't mind doing what they do.
These type of crowds, baby. Because if you get one person bumps somebody too hard,
It's some shit.
It's some shit. And
Yeah.
they checking, but
Okay, I'm going to get out, friend.